I'll just start another one. All right. So Paul.
That's not how that works. You can't just start a video in the middle.
I can, and I just did.
Nope.
If it's in slow-mo, what am I gonna do with that?
It's not in slow-mo, it's 60 frames a second.
Well then, we'll see what happens. But, Paul got the clutch out.
I don't know what I'm looking at. It looks like it's all smooth. That's probably not supposed to look like that.
It's fine. Yeah, it doesn't look bad.
It's weird.
There's not even really any...
Maybe this...
There's not really even any heat burns either on that disc.
I don't know. Let's compare. Higher at all? Are they the same?
I don't know, take it out of my bag. No. It's gonna get dirty. What are you trying to do?
Oh,
prevent the inevitable?
There it goes.
Looks like maybe a little bit.
These are sticking up higher. These are closer together in here.
You can't even barely move that. Yeah, I don't know. Put it in, we'll find out. Send it. You got screwed. Someone only paid 20 cents for that.
Dang it.
But yeah, now we'll get the clutch in. Okay, so what we have found is, if you look, these holes where all these were at, they're oblonged, all fucked up.
Me?
What?
See, I messed up?
No, I said they're all fucked up. But yes, we did fuck up because we didn't notice the alignment pins, whatever. But either way, because the dowels are supposed to go in here, but the dowels are pressed in for, well, they're screwed in, whatever. We're gonna pull off the Fidanza. It's a Fidanza Lightened flywheel. We're gonna pull it off, and then take out the dowel pins, hopefully, and then relocate them because I think they're set up for like 240 millimeter, and we need 220 or some of that nature.
Because the guy that had this messed up because he had it set up that way too. Because this is the same size as the or the clutch that we got. So when he put that one on there, it was messed up too.
Yeah.
So whoever put those dowel pins in, put them in the wrong spot.
Like a Neanderthal.
So now we gotta fix their mistake.
So hopefully we'll take that off.
Hopefully they actually come out.
And supposedly not putting those in will create lots of vibration. What else did it say? I don't remember. But yeah, it's definitely some of the problems we've had.
Yeah, because they're oblong too, those holes.
Yeah. And it can cause engine damage if you don't do them. So yeah, that's not good. But yeah, so now we got to pull off the flywheel. You're going to want to use the impact.
That's fine, I like the impact.
But yeah, let's get them off. So we got the flywheel.
God.
Oh my god, did that just strip?
No, it's just in there.
Okay, good. So yeah, we're gonna try taking out this ring, and hopefully that'll give us access to the dowels. So we don't know. We're not the Neanderthal that put this shit together. So we'll be back when we get those off. All right. If you got a Fidanza flywheel and you bought it from an idiot, this is how you fix it. So they put the dowels in the wrong spot. As long as you never plan to go back down to a smaller size or the bigger size, whatever, you just gotta make sure that's the right one.
Yeah, it is, because we need the outer side.
So you just hit it back and forth. That's gonna sound so good on the fucking camera.
Yeah, that's gonna be great.
And then you just wheel it out.
Really?
That easy.
Just like that. That one still is in there good. Be free.
Let it go.
This is the worst one, of course.
Naturally, because the camera's going.
What the heck? It's halfway out right now. Oh, a little tighter. No more messing around. Come on out!
It doesn't get any looser.
What the heck? It's like welded in there! There we go. Just like that.
Alright, and you put it in the dowel or the spot you need it.
I'll go around.
And it wouldn't stick, so. This guy's way up.
Yeah, this one's really low. That doesn't matter.
And done. Now we go put it back on and continue to hate the asshole that did that. Alright, I'm sitting over here in my chair while Paul's over there doing the most work he's ever done in his whole life. Because that's the way it goes. But yeah, he's finishing up. We got the trans in. It went in way easier than last time, that's for sure. And I know he said he stepped on the clutch, says it feels better. So hopefully that's promising. And he's also, right now he's getting the drive shaft put in. So once he does that, I think we just got to put fluid back in the trans. Everything else is done, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
So, yeah. Almost there. And then we can finally drive it and hopefully all is well.
Yeah, I hope so.
All of that because of a stupid dowel pin.
Yep.
3 dowel pins.
Impressive.
God dang it! And then because of that, we ruined a $400, $500 clutch, however much a spec clutch is.
Too much.
Yep. It's like 450 bucks or something like that. A lot of money. But I guess that's what happens when you're a bunch of rookies and you're just sending it every day. So hopefully it works.